actually just spray a little bit of our interior cleaner right onto this plastic. Oh, this is the one that doesn't work.
Good.
What's up guys, it's Brad from Test Bros. We've got a pretty dirty Model S today. We're going to clean it up and show you how we clean the interiors of our Teslas and really any car for that matter. You want a good interior cleaner that's safe on all fabrics, and then just a good microfiber towel. A couple different boar bristle brushes. For some of the glasses, we do use a glass cleaner. You also want to clean the door sills out. You do like to recommend our waterless clean. If you do want to vacuum out all the carpets and whatnot, you'll of course need a vacuum cleaner. To start with, we take all of this big stuff out, of course. Just give ourselves some room to actually get cleaning. And once you have everything cleaned out, we're going to pull all of the mats out. Just going to jump right into vacuuming and get the bulk of this stuff out first that we can get to, and then we'll get into the nitty-gritty after that. So the name of the game for interior cleaning is really just agitating. We want to get some different brushes, and you really want to kind of scrub, and you can use all sorts of different guys to get into some of the cracks and things like that that really hold dirt and debris. So what we like to do is some of this stuff, if it seems like it's stuck to the carpet and you don't just want to keep vacuuming it, a quicker way is just come in here, agitate the top layer of it all. Once you've got it all dislodged, it'll vacuum up a lot better for you. So if you can remove some of these interior plastic covers and whatnot, you do want to take these out. It'll just make it much easier to clean. So to get some of the stuff that's really gooped on and kind of caked on, we are going to take a little bit of our interior cleaner and just give it a nice light mist in here, and that will really just kind of help us with the agitation process. So again, back to some of these little tricky areas, we're going to lubricate a little bit and then just use our brush here. Really just get all of these little nooks and crannies that would be hard to just kind of wipe up with a towel. And then we'll vacuum it back out. As you can tell, we've got leather, plastics, felt. So to be safe about going about cleaning all of these things, you don't want to leave any marks or anything like that. So I do recommend using a clean, safe interior cleaner. We do make this in-house, and it is safe for all finishes, but we don't want to really spray heavily on anything. So all of your felts and things like that can kind of hold water, and once it dries, you can almost see like a water spot that's left over. So we're going to spray pretty much everything onto the towel and just give everything a nice basic wipe down. Some of the really harder spots to clean can be these speaker areas where it's a little abrasive and rough and there's all those dips and holes in it. This is really caked on. So again, we're going to agitate by just scraping on it. Then we'll come back in with our towel and wipe it clean. Agitate these little areas and then wipe them up. So what we like to do is just get, again, just a light mist of the interior cleaner on a towel. We're going to come in and just kind of agitate these areas. If they're not coming out, you can go back to a softer bristle style brush. Then we'll come back with a dry cloth and just kind of wipe out any excess water or material, and that should help get everything back out. So if you have some stains like these in your seats, maybe it's water or you've spilt some coffee or something of that nature in here, again, spray some cleaner onto your towel. We're gonna wipe it in. And once you've got it wiped down, we are going to switch to the vacuum and just try and vacuum out this carpet again and soak out any moisture. So we're going to spray the brush here with our glass cleaner. This is just going to help us get into these little tricky edges and get all that junk out. Once we've gotten all the edges clean, we're going to take a clean microfiber cloth, give it a spray of our glass cleaner as well. I'm just going to wipe this down, the dry side of it, and just buff out any leftovers that might have stuck around. Move on to these kick guards here. These can get really messy and really dirty. They can be kind of tricky and hard to clean. So I'm going to actually just spray a little bit of this directly on there. Use our brush again. And again, this just really agitates all of the pores in the plastic and really just helps to lift up any of the dirt and debris that's left over. And then all that's left will be wiping it up and wiping clean. If you do like any of our products and you want to try them out, if you use the code CLEAN-TESLA, you can get 10% off on any of these products and try them out for yourself. We're going to move on to one of my favorite product that we offer, which is our waterless car wash. This is of course great for cleaning the outside of your car if you want just a quick basic wipe down. But I like to also use it here in these inner door sill areas. This area gets really dirty and a lot of people just forget to clean it. So we're just going to spray a little bit onto here. You can go back to just using the same brushes we have been using. We just like to use this little drill attachment here with a nice brush on it. It just kind of helps speed it up and it just really gets in all these things and cleans them out. So what we're going to do is kind of spray down with our interior cleaner and just wipe it down.